Trigonometry and all much. Every year, this is happening actually to many of the students. These are the topics where they feel difficult. Number one, trigonometry and applications of trigonometry. Then, in quadratic equation, you people will face a problem in doing those word problems. Then there is one more headache, volume surface area. That chapter, I think, yet to come for you people. That is easy again, but a lot of calculation is there, so students feel it difficult. That's it. Other than that, it's very easy. So trigonometry, see what you have to do. Like you need to have some selective questions. You need to practice properly. If you refer to the question papers like last 2 or 3 years, you will get to know what kind of questions they are asking. Same kind of questions you need to practice. That will make your work easy. There are some questions which are like, many repeated, they are repeating them again and again. These questions are coming. So we have such questions also. We need to practice those things also. Correct. So I think let me try to. Okay. So in trigonometry, I will tell you tomorrow we will take up the sums and all. So just consider this as a trial class. I'm just, even though being well, sometimes this happens actually. Okay. So what you have to do is, I will tell you 2 3 points when it comes to trigonometry. You need to be very good in. Remember that angle value table, which is very very important. Then you should know the basic definitions like what is meant by sine, what is meant by cos. Sine is opposite upon hypotenuse. All these things. Angle value table is going to help you a lot in doing complementary type of questions. There are some questions wherein you will be able to answer the complements, right? Complement of angle. So we know complementary means what? If I combine two angles, I should get 90 degree. That those angles are called as complementary. If you have seen second exercise, I think in that you will have cos 65 divided by sine 25, something like this. So such questions you need to use angle value table. And very important questions are finding all other trigonometric ratios using one trigonometric ratio. Say for example, sine a equal to 1 by 2 is given to you. Then they will ask you to find cos a or secant a, something like this. Using Pythagoras theorem and finding two sides are given to you. Sine a is equal to 1 by 2. That means two sides are given. Another side is missing there. So you need to get the third side using Pythagoras theorem. Then you will be able to get the answer for other trigonometric ratios also. Okay. So this thing and complementary angles again. And number three, coming to those application based questions, they're also like, it's a real life situations all are. You need to see in quadratic equation also. If you see the word problems, they are all real life situations. If you are able to think in that perspective, then you will definitely crack the question, or else you are going to struggle. So in application based trigonometry questions, you might have seen, right? A boy is standing, okay, and he's observing a hot balloon which is moving at point A, then it goes to point B. These are all like real life situations. Depending on, you need to solve questions. Okay. So including both the chapters, you'll get good amount of marks only. Then see, one plan you have to do always is first find out which chapter carries how many marks. I don't think CBSE has given a chapter wise marks and all, but overall they have given not divided chapter wise and all. But if you see last 4 5 years question paper, you can make out from which chapter how many marks are coming. Okay, so if you use that way, I think you will be able to figure out which chapter is carrying more marks and how will you score that. Anyway, I'm there with you. I have started already uploading videos. So through the live sessions also, we will discuss the doubts and all. Every Sunday we will have a live session, and even I told you like 9 to 10 we will have a live session. Whatever it is, definitely I'll make a time and come live. So today I just wanted to see how things work, where what option is there, all that. So now I am familiar how I can get live very easily. Now one thing is that I should be able to write and explain to you. Okay, that I need to figure out. I will do that also. If it is through Zoom, Google Meet, and all, it can be done very easily. So here I have to see that where, how, what I have to do. So we'll do that, and we'll start from maybe tomorrow. Okay, if not tomorrow, then day after tomorrow. Again, we will start. Tomorrow we will start. Not to worry. We have started today already. Chapters I'll start taking. So whatever I'll discuss in a live, again the whatever lessons I will discuss on live, right? So I think those chapters, maybe I will not be able to make a video. Okay, and I means I want students to come live and learn those lessons. If I make video also, I will make them at the end. So now I have started priorities. Quadratic equation is over now. One more video will come tomorrow, which will cover all other word problems. Then I will go for a trigonometry 1 and 2. Then I'll go to volume surface area. Then I'll take statistics, all these. I'll try to make one shot videos. uh, like if the lesson is small, probability can be done within 20 30 minutes. So one short video. Statistics also can be done within 1 hour, one short video. Volume surface area, I have to make at least 2 3 videos if I am making one shot also. That will take little time. Then area related to circles, and also will start science also. In between I'll start putting science. So I want you people to let me know which science chapter you want, actually, which you are feeling tough. Of course physics, I know physics, every all the lessons will be covered. There is nothing in electricity, magnetic effect of current and all, ray of light, reflection of light and all. These ray diagrams you need to practice, and there are numericals which you need to do. Even in electricity also numericals are there, you should expect. Carbon and its compounds, I will definitely do that. Then I'll do chemical reactions, those things. So I have an idea like which lesson can trouble you. I know that those definitely will be covered. So I will put my 200% to cover everything. I think maybe in the month of March and all we will have a exam, so we'll try to cover. Just be with me. And maybe I started late, but I think this is the right time, because students will, now these 2 months if you study properly, then this 2 months study is going to be very very effective for anybody. Okay, there are so many students who will study whole year, but this last 2 months they just relax. That's a big mistake what they are doing. There is something called a peak time. Okay, so in Bangalore you might have seen, right? After 5:30 6 o'clock, traffic jam everywhere. That is peak time for a traffic jam. Morning, like after 8, full traffic jam everywhere. So like that, peak time is very very important. We need to be careful at that time. So your exam is another like 2 months. This is the peak time. Just have one, 2 3 things in your mind. One, confidence should be there. Second, You have to put your 200% effort. There is you should not leave anything saying that I'm not getting this, how can I do this, how can I do that. No, if you are not getting, then it is your problem. You have to work hard, you need to ask a doubt whoever is concerned, but you should make sure that you learn them. That's the only mantra you should have in your mind. I know uh, lessons are not that easy. They are not easy to anyone. It is not only you people who are suffering. Whole India CBSE is same. Students are in such situations, but who are studying with confidence and who are studying regularly, uh, who are giving more time to the tough things, right? Tough concept should be given more time. Keep revising. Revision is one more thing which will make you feel confident. What will happen, we read a lesson or we practice something, then we forget it after 2 3 days. This happens because there is no revision. So revision is very very important. You need to make a schedule, which lesson you want to read, then when you want to revise that. Within 2 days you should revise whatever you have read. Like that you should create one timetable for you. I'll make one video on this also, this strategy, like how the timetable should be these 2 months, and how you can manage your subjects. And maybe you will get holidays also now, like good number of holidays will also come. So have a hope. Hope is best thing to have always. Correct. See, I had a hope that I will go live. Then camera troubled me. Still I had a hope that I will go live, and never bother about the problems. Problems will come, they are there to come, and we are here to counter them. Okay. Thank you, Harshita and Janvi. Very obedient students, you people are. So tell everyone, I'm doing this for those people only. Okay, my 10th standard has got over already. I want like good number who are very interested at least come. Okay, if only two, three, it's okay, no problem. But interest must be there. You people have an interest, so you have joined. I know others will also have an interest. Sometime we need to push them. So for that reason, we need to push them. That's all. Correct. Later, they are also your friends only, and they are also my students only. I cannot leave them in that comfort zone, right? Comfort. If they are in that comfort zone, I need to pull them out of it, because if I won't pull them out, then it is my mistake. Being a mentor, I would have done that. I did not do. So that's the reason. Sometimes we need to force. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me. We'll again start tomorrow sharp at 9. Okay, Harshita, done? Yes, good night, both.